Yo.
Oh, there's a bite. I got a grinnell, guys. He's on it. Yeah, there he is. Oh, that was a good one. Shit. I just missed one right there.
Why are you ready recording the ground, bro?
I'm not.
Oh my god.
That's the one I missed. That's the one I missed. Wait, what?
Put this off bait.
You caught that?
Yeah, I just caught this.
Oh, did you think you had a grinnell?
Yeah.
You got one again, don't you?
No, I don't. What's up, guys? Tyler here. Fishing with the O-Dog. Yeah, the big O. And we grinnell fishing today. Got a fishing club meeting in a few hours. Just gonna try and kill some time. Come down to the river. Catch a lot of grinnell. They've been biting a lot lately. They've been biting artificials and live bait. Came up here yesterday and caught a lot on culprit 10-inch worm, 7-inch worm. And right now, throwing some crappie. And we've been catching the crappie dudes. O-Dog hooked up. And it came off. What kind of hook do you have on there? Crappie jig hook. That's why you're losing them all. That's why you're losing them all. I have hooks.
You have weights?
Yeah, I have weights. You put a Texas rig on there. Oh, finally got bit. There she blows. He's got it.
Get him.
Oh,
yeah.
Stay on there. No!
Damn, they always do that.
Dude, came off, man. Finally, he knocked the crap out of it. And the funny thing is, you never know if one of them's going to be a bass. Because out of all these schools of grinnell, it could be just one big bass. Oh, there's one finally. You ain't coming off. No, he did! Just let it slowly sink down.
When I switched over to cut bait,
Oh, there's one.
you got one. I saw him thump it.
Oh yeah, let him swallow it. Come on, take it. Yeah, take it down. Oh, got you, big boy. Yeah. No, he ain't little. Holy shit, that's a big one. Finally got one though. Oh my god.
Hey.
Okay, Owen's got
Is it a
one.
big one,
Let's hope
Owen?
it stays on this time. Nope. I'm telling you, you gotta let him swallow it, man.
Bro, with the cut bait, they usually engulf that shit.
Yeah, but you got a small hook on there.
I got a big jig head now.
It's not that big. Stump squad out here catching grinnell.
I might need a bigger hook.
You got Owen's butt crack on GoPro.
Oh yeah.
I was hardly missing any yesterday. Oh, there's one. I just got one. I'm letting him take that crap, dude. Got him. Stay on there. No!
You know, I think we just hold on to. Oh my god, really? You got it.
Gosh.
Call your shots. Did you miss him, Mike? I got another one. Oh,
There he is.
I see that.
Uh-huh, take it.
Give
Yeah.
him forever.
Yeah. Got you that time.
Snagged him.
Yeah, finally, dude.
I got one too.
All the big ones keep coming off, though. Well, we got a little guy. Dude, this guy's been caught before.
Sure he has.
Finally got a grinnell, guys. This little baby one, though. Pretty.
I got one.
And Max has got one. Both of them got one. Double up,
I'm letting this one.
triple up. Oh, he came off. All these big guys seem to come off every time.
Come on. Stay on there. I guess it's gonna stay on. This rod's bending
Oh
out.
my gosh.
Ah! What the heck?
Oh, dude, that was a good reaction. That was a good reaction. All right, guys. Well, that's it for today's short little video. I just wanted to come out here for a little bit and catch a little bit of grinnell. I figured it'd be an interesting video simply because it's a different species and I don't catch them too often. So I wanted to take advantage of the fact that they were biting real good right now. I know it's not much, and I mainly missed a lot of them, but I hope you guys enjoy the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Later.